What's the biggest thing slowing down Kochi Metro? It's not the trains, it's a paperwork. Every single day, critical information gets lost in a flood of documents, causing delays and unnecessary risk. Here, we are to fix that. Let me show a basic prototype which I have developed for this project. All these documents were received at one official's inbox. Before that, that officials have to manually summarize and classify and send it to the particular official. Now we have developed a AI method where we are classifying through AI. Developed a method through AI-driven document management system. Through the documents are classified and summarized through AI. After summarization and classification, documents are sent it to the particular official. Here, first we are uploading the document, then entering our email. And I have to clarify one thing. There are various departments called HR, engineering, financials, and etc. The documents are classified and summarized according to this department. Then we are uploading. Let me upload one document. See, here there are extracted words to this document after summarization of AI. Then this come under the financial department. After summarization, the documents are approved or rejected by the particular official. Whether approved or rejected, the mail will be sent to the respective mail ID where it is received. Suppose this document is not related to this department, he can also forward to the other departments. I assure you that this method will overcome the manual method. Here we can save the time and cost and vendor savings.